Did I pursue you? I chase you? I toast you? I tell you hi? I say you hello? No be you come meet me. Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl here, Promise Breezy, and you're highly welcome to my channel. In case this is your first time seeing my face, you're highly welcome to this channel. So guys, here with me I have a guest.
Hey guys, my name is Value, and you guys are welcome back to this channel. If today is your first time of stopping by to this channel, please subscribe. Okay, and in this channel we have a lot of content that you will like. Trust me guys, it is very fun. Okay
guys, in this video today we are going to be doing a truth or drink. Guys, I am going to be asking him question. If he can't answer, he's going to be drinking to that. And he will ask me a question as well. If I can't answer, I will drink to it. So here with me we have our wine. Yeah, we are going to be using this red wine. So first of all, we are going to be opening the wine together. Let's pop the champagne before we start asking the questions. Yeah.
Oh boy, this thing hard though.
You don't know before.
Oh boy, you want your belly from this thing?
Okay.
Be careful, man, I'll hit you. Are you scared?
No.
You see yourself?
I'm not scared though. I was just trying to be careful.
You.
So guys, here is our wine. Okay, let's start the video right away. Should we put it in glass? No, I might answer all the questions. So don't put drink yet.
You trust yourself. Maybe I believe maybe you did some expo.
I might answer all the questions. Okay. It's possible. Okay, who is going to be asking first?
You go to ask first.
Okay, let me ask. Choose your number.
I choose number 4.
What's your worst addiction?
Addiction. What is the worst addiction? I don't smoke. I don't drink much. Man, I'm not addicted to anything. I'm not.
Okay.
Number.
Hey, I forgot to just now.
Is it bad to go down? Well.
15.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Oni asked me.
Which part of your body get the most compliment and by whom?
The part of my body that gets the most compliments is my.
Your what? Your my. What did you say? Are you okay?
You say my. Which one is my?
You are saying my.
No, I want to say it's my bum. And anytime I'm passing, in fact.
Who they compliment?
Let me not.
That person go far just now. You better use the upper. You don't answer and don't do.
Okay.
Ask me my own.
Thank God you say you don't do. I hope you never do expo.
No.
Okay, oh yeah. Choose your number. Did you like your partner cooking?
Yes, of course. Yes, every guy must. Before you marry, at least you must check the food, you understand? So the only way to get to my heart not through the stomach, so it's very important. I love her cooking.
Okay, let me answer my own now.
You don't love me? See, I should ask you a question, right?
Okay.
Choose your number.
Number 20.
This guy won't fuck me up.
Number 20.
Fine. What did you ever have?
Honey, number 20.
Yes, no. Yeah.
You are not asking me. Okay.
Did you ever have a crush on high school teacher?
The truth is, I need to drink.
You step to the measure this thing then?
I don't drink.
I don't go you once you couldn't make you high for yesterday. Ask me your question. About 30.
Number 30. Rate our love story on a scale of 1 to 10.
Well, if I have to weigh it, it's going to be 9. Yeah. Why? Because we have not finished. So we are still building up.
Okay.
Yes.
I choose number 5.
When was the last time you lied to me and why?
The last time I lied to you.
Yes, the last time you lied to me.
If it's a lie, why should I say the truth now? If it's a lie, should I make a lie now?
The truth must always come out one day, no matter what.
If it's a lie, should I make a lie? But seriously, I can't remember lying to you.
Let me think by myself.
I can't remember lying to you.
Now you lie, Sha. Now you know when you lie.
No, I can't remember lying to you.
Okay.
No, I have not.
I choose number 30.
When was the last time you watched porn?
The last time that I watched porn, it was you know what? Yesterday. Yes, yesterday. I was waiting for a movie.
Hey!
Eh?
Oh yeah, confess.
It was yesterday. Wait, you were here. Listen. I was expecting a movie. They show a movie in the channel. So,
continue. I'm hearing you.
Listen, I don't be past line now. So I was expecting a movie. I forget the station. So I was turning on some station like to see which one they go to show the movie. I forgot the number. So I just turned it to one channel. They were showing some stuff. And trust me,
You were watching.
I got some attention there. I stuck there. You understand what I'm saying? So later, Owen ran out from the room. So I changed the channel. Honey, you were here yesterday. Now you never focused because you were facing this side. Then I changed the channel. So that's how it is, guys. I'm not the one that.
Clap for yourself.
For myself. It wasn't me that put it. It was the people. They put it on the channel.
It was not you that put the station.
I put the station.
You what caught your attention there?
Listen.
You caught your attention. Take.
You are angry now, right? Because I know you have done some little research. Choose your number.
Number 13.
Did you like the way I dress?
Yes, I like it.
You know I'm a good dresser. I'm good at that.
For your mind.
Damn, man, honey, you got to be sincere here.
Choose your number.
I'm good when it comes to dressing, man. I got my own swag. I got my own Okay, number 15.
Have you ever faked an organ?
Oh boy. How can you fake? Man, we don't fake organ. We they come. No man, you understand what I'm saying now? No, so we not be women. Only women they fake them. No, they come. Understand? If you teach her they lie, go out.
Have you fake organ? There must be a time you are not in the mood. You are not in the mood, but a woman can put you in the mood. Maybe
you
don't have the strength. Maybe from the starting you fake it. Then later on when you are not doing it, when it's not time you're already, it will not be sweeting you. So tell me.
We men don't fake organs. Men don't fake. It's only women. We guys, normal. It's very easy for us to come. So if I thought you are not in the mood, maybe at the long run they cut you the art. Sorry, they put you in the mood. Normal, you must come.
Have you ever fake any?
I know they fake them.
Okay. 60.
Have you ever used a dating site app before?
If I've used it, yes, I've used it. I've used it. Like I downloaded it to my phone. I entered it. I chat with people, but I've never met any of them. I didn't meet any of them.
Okay. I choose number 10. 10, yeah.
Favorite memory with me.
Oh boy, the favorite memory I had with you is when we were in Libya. That was my most favorite moment with you that I enjoy most. When there was no food, nothing, we were starving, but we were so happy with ourselves. So
madly
happy.
In love.
Trust me, and everybody was envy. If our relationship was a romantic comedy, what could be the title?
It should be Love Will Always Win.
So why? Okay.
Love will always win.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
I choose number 1.
Number 1.
Yes.
How old were you when you masturbated for the first time?
What am I? Women, you won't persuade me not drink. Fine, me I drink. Oh my God. You don't take my mind though.
Drinking.
Now so they take Samsio.
So you want to look as if I'm the only one who will drink in this game? No.
Guys.
I don't want to choose now. I choose number 16. Guys, if you have watched up to this point and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up.
Am I the type you usually go after?
If you are not the type, of course, although I don't go after men go after me. If you are not the type, I wouldn't have said yes.
Really?
Men go after me, not me going after them, not the other way around.
Really?
So, yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Did I pursue you? I chase you. I toast you. I tell you hi. I say you hello. Not be you come meet me.
But you sensing now?
Which signal?
You're carrying nyash.
Which nyash? My nyash near you. My nyash near you.
Really?
My nyash near you.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. See me, oh.
I don't vex.
I don't waka. We'll see you all in our next video. And don't forget to
Subscribe,
like, share,
and comment.
See you all in our next video. For now, bye bye.